Okay, what we have here today is PopTech phone holder for the car. It comes with additional adhesive pads and an alcohol pad. Two of these metal plates or disc. Two larger metal disc. Taking a closer look at the phone holders made by PopTech. It says it there and here. And around here it has a rubber to help you keep your phone in place so it won't slip. That was this little rubber is for it, and not to scratch your phone. It's like a gun black. It looks nice and it's very easy to install. What you want to do is find a optimum area of the dash, refer to manual. I'm going to put mine right here. You want to clean it down with an alcohol wipe to promote adhesion. And you want to put it on a sloping part of your dash. So it can't go here because it's flat, and it can't go below here because it's flat. Or it won't fit here. But remove the adhesive and just stick it firmly. And per the manual, you want to give it 24 hours for it to adhere before using.
24 hours later.
Okay, been over 24 hours. Let me adjust it a little bit. And the adhesive's supposed to be heat resistant. That's good, how hot it gets in California. Here's my phone. I have the metal disc between the case and its outer rubber boot. This ring is for a different holder. Boom. Yeah, it knows it's in the car. And I can say I'm satisfied. It's holding my phone firmly. Also,
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you please say that again?
sorry about that. Also, this can come in handy, like if you get stopped by police, you get hit the recorder, you can record the conversation. This has helped me out with my, cause I have a dash recorder up here. I was pulled over. The officer accused me of failure to stop for an emergency vehicle, which there was no emergency vehicle. The only thing, he had his lights on, and by California law, you gotta have your one red light and a siren to be classified as an emergency vehicle. Since he only had one, and he really seemed like he wasn't trying to go nowhere because he was driving very slowly, but he pulled me over, gave me a ticket, and as he was taking back his device, he noticed the dash cam. And he was like, why you didn't tell me you have a dash cam? I said, why I had to tell you I have a dash cam so you do your job properly. I did put that video on the YouTubes. If I could find it, because I was using a different channel at the time. But if I could find it, I'll link it to the video just in case if you're curious. But back to what we're actually supposed to be talking about is the phone holder. It seems to be holding very well. Remove it, put it back, and I'm tapping it pretty hard. It is not moving. So those of us that want to talk on the phone while driving, I don't understand why, because most cars has hands-free features. My car have hands-free features, and it's only a 2015. But anyway, just in case you don't, if you want to text, boom, 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 boom. Keep your eyes on the road. And that helps defeat the purpose. I gotta look at the exact wording of the law, but I believe have an electronic device in your hand because I don't think it means just using an electronic device, because that would mean you're, touching your radio while driving to be against the law too. But it should be for some people, because some people can multitask. They can only do one thing at a time. They'd be messing with the radio straight on and have an accident. And like myself, I know my radio's right there. Also, I have steering wheel controls. But I'll keep getting off topic. I'm sorry. But yeah, but this phone holder, I can recommend it. It does what it needs to do. Hold your phone to give you extra hands-free. You can text. But I'm not recommending that you do it. I recommend that you keep your eyes on the road at all times. This is California. You know how we drive. But thank you for watching my video. If you have any additional questions about this phone holder by Pop Tech, leave it down in the comments. Also, I will put a link in the description to where you can pick yours up. I believe it's around about $15, pretty reasonable. Thanks again. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, dislike this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.